18-11. 3 de Manaya, 18-14. 18-14. Ortega to Bueno to Mateo. 17 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds shoot. Number 30 shot number 2 points. Number 30, 20-14. Crossover move. Steal by Kickball. Score 20-14. Drops 20-14. So Bueno. Steal by Alcawil. Alcawil no good. To Mateo. 80 seconds shot ng Mateo. No good. Di po may Ortega. 2 points. Ortega. 22-14. In favor of Rocks. 6 minutes and 19 seconds na first quarter. Ang ganda pa sa ilalim. Foul! Foul pa dyan si number 4, Sean Ortega. Sean Ortega. First personal foul, 13 foul. First shot is good. Second shot, makukuha kaya ni Super Heat. 2 out of 2, Mahina Kawil. 22-16 in favor of Rocks. 17 seconds to shoot. Ortega taking 3. No good. Rebound by Lopez. 5 minutes and 50. Bulabog. No good. Rebound by Bulabog pa rin. 5 minutes and 40. 2 points. Samuel Lopez. 22-18. 5 minutes and 34. Nugget, riba by Aceron. Aceron, Nugget. Riba by Bueno. Bueno, Nugget. Riba by EJ. Spin mo by Lopez. Lopez pa rin. Lopez. Foul. Foul by number 15. Bueno. First person pa, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Grabs. Standby for change 5. Standby. Lopez, 15 seconds shoot. Lopez, blocked by Sean. Foul. Penalty. Foul by Jesse number 4, Sean Ortega. Second personal foul. Warakay. Penalty. Penalty. 22-18 in favor of Rocks. First shot is good. 2 out of 2. Standby for change 5. Standby for change 5. 22-20. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang ng Rocks. Change 5 na po. Change 5. Change 5 na po.
Pass to Lopez. Lopez taking 3. Wala. Giovanni. Number 20 hands. Pass to Mateo. Mateo. Foul. Foul by number 24. Number 24. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 12. Lee. Number 12. 27-20. Score 27-20. 15 to shoot. Number 0. Wala. Giovanni. Lopez. Lopez. 2 points. Lopez. 27-20. Pass to. Taking 3. Wala. Giovanni. Number 29. 4 minutes exactly. Lopez. Foul. Foul by number 2. 3. Foul by number 3. 27-22. Score 27-20. First shot, not good. Second shot by Lopez. Lopez. Miss. Boom.
27-22 in favor of Grabs. 3 minutes and 24. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Agkawili, nauna na si Jem Anaya, no good. Pero iba pa rin ni Quet. Jem. Pass to Kuroko. Anaya na green. No good. Iba pa man Diego. Manahon na si number 25, Mateo Tsubos. Mateo. 29-22. 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Standby for timeout. Pag-shoot po ng kalaban. Nugget. Rebound by number 12, Malupi. To number 3, steal by Lopez. The boys, Lopez. Standby timeout, PGC. 29-24. Number 3 sa ilalim. Pass to Maniego. No good. To Lopez na naman. Lopez. Foul. Time out. BGC. Oras, 2 minutes and 10. 29-24 in favor of Grabs. Foul by BGC number 25, Mateo. Penalty. Two free throws, Lopez. First shot is good. Second one, makakukuha kaya 29-25 in favor of Grabs. 2 out of 2 by Simon Lopez. 29-26 to number 3. To Ortega, 14 second shot now. To Manlupi, to boys Manlupi, 31-26. 1 minute and 49. To Super Heat taking 3. Gene Alcawili, 31-29. 1 minute 36 seconds left. Ortega pabawi ng 3. Ken Ortega, 34-29. 1 minute 23. 20 second shot clock. Gina naman. Nugget, di mo by Ortega. To Mateo. Basket kaya by Mateo. Power jersey number 29 for Rocco. First personal foul. 30 foul ng BGC. Shooting bonus free throw, Mateo. Converted and 1. 37-29 in favor of Grabs pa rin. 1 minute exactly. Anaya taking 3. JM Anaya. 32-37. 50 seconds left. Ang ganda pa sa kay Manlupig. Manlupig pa rin. 15 second shot clock. Nugget, Rima by Anaya. 37 seconds na lang. Bola mo, Nugget. Rima by Lopez. 15 seconds. Shot clock. Bola mo, short number, Nugget. Rima by Manlupi. Shot clock off. 20 seconds left. 17 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. Shot clock off na po. 10 seconds. 3. W. So 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Basket yan by Alcawili. 37-34 in favor of Grabs. Roberto. Pass to Lopez. Pass to Bulabog. 2 points na Bulabog. 37-36. 1 point din na lang. Pero nabawi agad ni Bueno. 2 points. 39-36. 15-second shot lang. 14-second shot lang. 10-second shoot. Ang kawin libre na naman sa press. 3! Deadlock all 39. Deadlock all 39. Pass to number 3. 18 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 33 all alone. 2 points. 41-39. 41-39 in favor of Rubs pa rin. 8 minutes and 53. Out of bounds. Foul by down jersey number 13. Second personal foul. First team foul. 8 minutes and 37. Ito ang kawili. Tumira na naman ng press. A sportsmanlike foul number 4. Sean Ortega. Ay, number 1, sorry. Number 1. A sportsmanlike foul. A sportsmanlike foul number 1. Reina Kawili sit for 3 minutes. Ang balik mo na po ay 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Second personal foul, Reina Kawili. Shot is no good.
Umukha ka na nga ako eh, nilalanding spot nila eh.
Second shot is no good pa rin. Ball goes to Rouse. 41-39. Reina Kawili, balik mo na ay 5 minutes and 27. 8 minutes and 27. Aceron. Expensive foul, mga Aceron. 41-39. 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Referee na making green now, yun mo pa Aceron. 8 minutes exactly. Out of bounds. Ball goes to HSC. Score 41-39 in favor of Grubs. Ora, 7 minutes and 50. Referee pass to Lopez. Lopez! Tubol na ako, iigot pa. Yun mo pa Aceron. Pass to number 3. Bakla, Ragin, Rimo Boy, sa ilalim, 2 points. Bakla, 43-39. 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Anaya, 15-second shot clock, 14-second shot clock, 10-second shot clock, 9-second shot clock, taking 3. Anaya, 42-43, naman pa rin ko lang isa ang Grumps. 6 minutes and 57. 2 points to Bueno, 45-42. 6 minutes and 50. Steal 1. Steal again. 3. No good. Rebound 5. Traveling violation. Timeout, Brad. Timeout. BTC.
45-42. 3-point lead with Rams. Para 6 minutes and 20. Lopez, nababa na bola. 84. 84. 15 to shoot. That's number 7. That's to Anaya. 10 to shoot. Anaya, 23.
3.
all 45.
Just, just.
6 minutes exactly. Bakla, pass 2. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 30. Pass to Bakla. 9 to shoot. 4. Basket. Lamang na. Good, good, good.
Stand by for change 5. Stand by. 2 points. 10 lang, all 47. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Second shot na lagi, di ba may asero? Stand by for change 5. Stand by. 2 points. Change 5 na po. Change 5. 49-47.